Updating your legal business name on Chargebee is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account reflects the correct information. Step 1. Log into your Chargebee account. Access your Chargebee account by entering your credentials on the Chargebee login page. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to make changes to your account settings. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once logged in, locate the Settings option in the left-hand menu. Click on it to open the Settings dashboard where you can manage various aspects of your account. Step 3. Access Business Information. In the Settings dashboard, find and select the Business Information section. This is where you can view and edit your current business details, including the legal name. Step 4. Update your legal business name. In the Business Information section, look for the field labeled Legal Business Name. Enter your new legal business name in this field, ensuring it is accurate and free of errors. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your legal business name, scroll down and click the Save button to apply the changes. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your business name has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily update your legal business name on Chargebee. Make sure to review your account after the update to confirm that all information is correct.